she goes again, racing through my brain, and I just can't contain this feeling that remains. There she goes again, pulsing through my veins. I just can't contain this feeling that remains. There she goes again. There she goes again.
Happy birthday, Auntie! Wishing you good health and more blessings po. God bless you always.
Hallo Athena, wir wünschen dir heute alles Gute zu deinem 70. Geburtstag. Hoffen, du hast einen wunderschönen Tag und genießt den Abend und sie spricht jetzt auf Englisch.
Auntie, happy birthday. Sorry, diri kami makapunta dyan sa UK because of visa reason. Yes, but we wish you a very happy birthday. Yeah. Then, see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Ched. I wish your day filled with laughter, love, and happiness. May God shower you with good health and more success to you and to your family. I hope you enjoy your very special day.
Happy birthday, Auntie. More birthdays to come and have a good health always.
Hi Auntie! Happy birthday! Wishing you a wonderful day as you celebrate your day and may it be filled with joy and good memories. God bless po!
Happy birthday, Auntie! Wishing you happiness and good health. Enjoy today and take care po. Love you. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Hello, Auntie Inday. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day and then hope to see you soon. Wish you good health and also wish we can have reunion in Baris someday. Take care po, Auntie. Bye.
Hi, Auntie Inday. Happy birthday. Best wishes po. I pray na marami pang birthday ang ating celebrate. And maraming pong salamat sa lahat po ng tulong na ibinigay po ninyo sa birthday. Thank you.
Happy
Birthday, Ate Inday. Di, happy birthday ka lang, Timmy. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Good health always, Auntie. God bless.
Yun nga dapat mo ha. Love you, Auntie. Di, kisa na yan, Auntie. Kisa na.
Hi Man Inday, happy birthday. Hey gosh, at tagal na rin since nagkasama tayo when you were in college, taking up nursing in St. Paul, and I was in my high school. And your brother, Mano Eddie, was also our board mate that time. Nandun siya sa kabilang room. Tayo magkatabi, diba? And again, hindi talaga kita makakalimutan because ikaw ang nagturo sa aking specimen signature, which until now I'm still using it kasi Mendoza pa rin ako, diba? So I'm so happy na malayo na rin ang what you have achieved. No? You already are permanently living in London, and you are blessed. Most importantly, with 3 mababait na children, si Mark, si Jack, and si Cheryl. And of course, with your apos, especially Hailey, kasi dalaga na si Hailey. So, I'm sure, sabihin na natin, fulfilled motherhood. Because nakita mo yung yung mga apo mo. And also, you have a child pala with, kay Mark, puro lalaki. And then with Jack, also lalaki. So, imagine, pero still looking young. And, yeah, I hope you can visit your place in London soon. And of course, see you soon here in Manila. Again, happiest birthday. And always take care of yourself. And God bless.
Happy birthday, Day! Many more birthdays to come. Stay young and pretty. Love you!
Happy birthday, Nanay Inday. Love you.
Hello, Manay Inday. You're so blessed that you are celebrating your 70th birthday. Happy birthday, Mana. Hindi ka lang tunay na kapamilya, kundi isa ka ring tunay na kaibigan. Piliing laging masaya lagi. Iwasan ang negative thoughts. Mag-pray lang lagi at maging masaya. We love you. Happy birthday. May God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Mana Inday. Wish you all the best. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa kaarawan mo at higit sa lahat, maging malakas lang palagi. My best regards also to Kuya Dong. We miss you so much. Sana magkita tayo pag-uwi mo sa Pinas. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Inday. Happy birthday. Wishing you a wonderful birthday filled with love, happiness, good health, and countless blessings. May God also grant the desires of your heart. I miss you and hope to see you again, especially this coming fiesta. Take care always. And can't wait to see you again soon. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to my cousin, Ate Shea. I wish you good health, continue blessing, and many years to life. Thank you for all your kindness. I hope to see you soon. And happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Day. Miss you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Chiding. Hope you're still young, good, and pretty. Enjoy lang ang buhay kahit malayo, malapit din. See you soon. Bye.
Hello po! Happy birthday po. I-greet ko po kayo in Japanese at in Brazilian Portuguese po. Japanese po muna. Tanjobi omedetou gozaimasu. Gokenko o inotte. Kazoku no shawase o inorimasu. Brazilian Portuguese naman po. Feliz aniversário para você. Muitas felicidades. A boa saúde para você e a sua família. Muito amizade. Thank you po. Enjoy your day po.
Hi, Chideng. Kumusta ka dyan? Happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay Inday. Wishing you good health and long life. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mana Inday. Wish ko sa'yo good health and more birthday to come. God bless you. Salamat ang mga tanan nga bulig ha among pamilya. Bisan hi Alex waray na didi, bumiyan na din hababaw kalibutan, ada kalagyapon. Nagpapabilin niya among ginikanan, bugto. Ando mamati. Namon mga problema, labi na gud na akon mga anak. Damo ka salamat. Ngat Inday. Best ka. Thank you. Ikaw naman.
Babatin ang Tinday, salamat pagbulag ang pamilya, labi ni Papa. Salamat ang pagbulag ang ay kabarakante kay mabawi mo na ko yung ano yung mga kuan bulag ang pamilya. Happy birthday, God bless, good health, sana lang sakit, mahabang buhay, at maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ante.
Hi Ninang Ched, happy birthday. Kumusta ka na? Ang tagal na rin natin hindi nagkita. Hopefully this year makapag-catch up ulit tayo. Wish you more birthdays to come and good health. God bless.
Ninang Ched, happy 70th birthday. I wish you all the best. Sana maging malusog ang iyong pangangatawan at magkaroon ka pa ng maraming kaarawan.
Happy birthday, Mare! Wish ko ang patuloy na good health para sa iyo. Matupad nawa ang iba mo pang mga pangarap sa buhay. Be happy! Enjoy your day! Happy birthday!
Hi Tita Ched, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and God bless you always. Ingat po lagi and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday po Mama Ched, I love you.
Happy birthday Mama, ingat ka palagi, I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Mama Ched. I love you po.
Happy birthday, Mama
Ched. I love you po.
Happy birthday, Mama Ched. Wishing you good health and sana masaya kang ngayong araw na to. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat na basta alam mo na yon and nandito lang po ako palagi para samahan ka sa lahat ng gala mo. And yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. I love you so much, Mama. I miss you.
Happy birthday po Mama Ched, and I love you so much po, and I'm very grateful to have you po. And Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Ganda po, di ba? Kasi para sa'yo po to.
Happy birthday, Ma! Ingat kayo dyan palagi. Love you po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. More birthdays to come, ha?
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Ma. Thank you po sa lahat. And more birthdays to come. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Mama! Hello, gulat ka ba? Siyempre, kami mga nasa Pinas, hindi kami magpapatalo. Char! Hindi. Happy birthday, Ma. Miss na kita kahit few months lang tayong hindi nagkita. Pero, sa totoo lang, talagang namimiss kita pag umaalis ka. Ngayong birthday mo, gusto ko lang namang mag-wish na sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng marami pang birthdays na masaselebrate natin together. Tapos, magkaroon ka lang ng malusog na katawan palagi. Pag kakasakit ka, syempre nag-aalala kami. Gusto namin, lagi kang okay. Kasi, alam mo na, gusto ka namin makasama pa ng matagal. Kasi, syempre, nung mga bata nga kami, di ba, masyado kang maraming sinakripisyo para sa amin. Pati yung mapahiwalay sa amin, sinakripisyo mo. Kaya, I want you to know lang na sobrang na-appreciate namin yung ginawa mo yun para sa family natin. At, na-realize namin at saka na-experience din namin kung gaano kahirap na mawala sa mga anak bilang isang nanay. So, ngayon, naintindihan ko na lahat ng ginawa mo ay sobrang hirap, sobrang pagmamahal sa pamilya. Yun lang, sana Yun na talaga ang pinaka-wish ko. Makasama ka namin ng sobrang habang buhay pa or sobrang tagal pa, lalo na't maliliit pa yung mga apo. Sana maging okay ka palagi. Yun lang ma. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin. Kahit na matatanda na kami, hindi mo kami pinalabayan. Maraming salamat at mahal na mahal ka namin. I miss you. See you soon. Happy birthday!
Dahil damo taon ka birthday, ano sa sa'yo mo, tabang ko sa maligong nalawas, ng alawin na pinabuhi. Mag-isip ko ang katerni. Salamat. At mo pagka magurang hamon, mapagka namon ng ginikanan, hindi sa may mga ginagmay nga misunderstanding, para makuha sa kubanin mo kasing-kasing, tulitan ka na pagkatao. Once again, damo nga salamat.
Happy birthday!
Thank you guys.
Hello, Maninday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, my sisi. My one and only sisi, I miss you so much. Enjoy your birthday and have a blast. Alam ko naman andyan ang pamilya mo, si Kuya, hindi ka pababayaan. At saka ang mga pamangkin ko, si Mark, si Jacqueline, si Cheryl, na mag-take good care of you. Just enjoy your birthday and always young. Alam ko, lagi kang bata, nakakaingit ka naman. Sana lumabot din ako sa ganyang edad. Huwag mo akong paiyakin, absent ako. Oh my God. Sana sa susunod andyan ako, I wish. Because I miss you all. I miss you so much. My sister, my one and only sister.
And hello, it's your birthday. I hope you're happy. We are so proud of what you've become. We love you so much. I miss you, and
Hey, my daughter. Happy birthday. Thank you. I'm so proud of you. Happy birthday. We love you so much. I miss you.